Hey, it's Koya, and today I want to share with you some amazing superfood blends that I have added to my daily routine. And these superfood blends come from Pacifica, a vegan, cruelty-free company that specializes in now supplements and beauty products and cleansing products for your skin and your hair. So the products that they have that are new are Seek Balance, and this product has plant probiotics, coconut, and antioxidant berries. They also have Slay All Day, and I love the name, Less Stress, More Hustle. It has pineapple, ashwagandha, green tea, and hydraulic acid. And then their third one for the daytime is called Glo Greens. It has broccoli, spinach, and a superfood kale blend in there. And I love these during the day. When I was in Africa, every day I put all three of these in my water and drank it during the day. And my favorite is actually the Wake Up Beautiful. This tastes just like Kool-Aid, and it has a mix of reishi mushroom, lavender, melatonin, and L-theanine. And again, all of these are vegan supplements that you can add to just water, or you can add them to your smoothie every day. So if you're adding them to your water, I suggest that you just add it to a bottle with a shaker cup, or you can just pour it right into your cup and mix it, shake it up. Or I have this fancy little stir here that I'm going to use for mine, and you can put 1 to 2 scoops per cup, but since we're using 3 and I use 3 every day, I'm just going to put 1 scoop of each right in there. And if you have any questions about any of the ingredients, just leave them in the comments below. You can also Google and decide which supplement is best for you. Or if you're like me and you realize that, hey, I just need more nutrients in my life, you can put all 3 in like I do, because really you don't want to have much more than you need, but you want to make sure you have everything you need. So that was the Slay All Day, and now I'm going to put some more greens in there. And like I said, you can also put this in smoothie. If you like milk, you could put it in your coconut milk or your almond milk or whatever plant-based milk you use. That'll go great. And then you just stir it up. And again, it just doesn't take that long at all. Shaker bottle, or you could just stir it in your cup like I'm doing here, and you're good to go. Let's give it a little taste. Wow. It tastes just like Kool-Aid, or even Crystal Light. So delicious. And then at night, I usually use a smaller cup at night because you don't need that much water. You want to at least have 8 glasses of water before you go to bed, but if you want your drink to be a little bit stronger, you just want to use a little bit water. And because this one is at night, I go ahead and I use 2 scoops because, you know, it's got that melatonin in it, and it's going to help you have some beautiful dreams. So we're going to put 2 scoops in there, and then we're just going to whip that up real quick. And it's that easy. It doesn't have to take a lot. If you rather have a drink or a latte at night, you can add this to that as well. It's going to give it a little bit of flavor, and you're good to go. This is my favorite, by the way, to have right before bed. It tastes like cherry Kool-Aid. Delicious. All right, so that's it for the powders. If you have any questions, let me know. Try any one of these that you think will add a little boost to your day. I love adding all 4 of them to my daily routine. Again, the Wake Up Beautiful is my absolute favorite. At least try that one and let me know if you start having dreams or sleeping deeper, because I know I did. And yeah, I can't wait for you to try this out. And thank you so much, Pacifica, for creating so many beautiful products that are vegan and cruelty-free. We appreciate you. Until next time, get loved up.